Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Cahn with a different background, so you know that it's a different update. Some real news. Fathom Events has told us that the response to the Harbingers of Things to Come has been so overwhelming that they're going to do a second showing, a second premiere. So here it is. The first one, of course, you know, is May 12th, Thursday night. That is the one that has been planned. But the new one is going to be 1 week later, May 19th. Same thing, Thursday night, the week later. Now here's the important thing. First of all, if you're in an area where it's been sold out, then you've got a place now. Or if there weren't any good seats, you've got a place. Or you couldn't invite a lot of people. But also on top of that, here's the main thing. You can see it on May 12th. But then bring out people, bring out unbelievers, bring out people who need to be woken up, because you'll see it then. Use that second one, May 19th, to bring out other people, invite especially non-believers, because it's going to be, again, a very, very powerful thing that is something probably they have never seen anything like that, and it's going to be a real wake-up call for their lives, okay? So make the most of it, use it for the sake of the kingdom, all right? For unsaved, of course, for believers as well, but make the most. So May 12th, first one, but now May 19th, and pray. You guys, I'm sure you've been praying. Pray that God uses this to touch, and it's already a tremendous sign. Okay, all right, now, just to make sure you know, if you are in another country, we've gotten the responses from that. We don't have theaters there, but however, you can do it. You can do the second part. Remember, they said that after the showing, or at least after the first showing, I think it's already going to start, you can have the Harbingers of Things to Come in your own church, your own ministry center, your own facility, your own anything, your Bible study group. You can do your own thing, that it becomes an event, that you can invite people out, evangelism, invite people out, bring out people to your place, okay? So if you're in another country, on top of being this is for everybody, for America, but this will also be available around the world. So all you have to do is get in touch with, and I'm going to try to do it right, okay? It's faithcontentnetwork.com and then /Jonathan Cahn to get the Harbingers. Okay, faithcontentnetwork.com /Jonathan Cahn. Okay, for where the theaters are for the Harbinger, for the movie, and also for the second showing. Now, not all theaters will have it for the second one, but most of them will. So to find out for a theater near you, and also how to get tickets for the main show, or the first showing and the second premiere, May 19th, go to the HarbingersOfThingsToCome.com. That's it. The HarbingersOfThingsToCome.com. Okay, that's it. So let's be praying, and I thank you for your prayers, for God to do great things, and we'll be in touch with a different background. And this is Jonathan Cahn saying, God bless you. Shalom.
American 11, are you trying to call?
Nobody move. Everything will be okay. If you try to make any move, you'll danger yourself and the airplane.
Is there an ancient mystery that lies behind everything, from 9/11 to the plague of COVID-19 to the forces that are now transforming American culture and world civilization? Are the shakings that have come upon America and the world a warning, a wake-up call of something yet to come, and that leads to calamity? You cannot be silent. You know what's coming.